Hello, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you direct and indirect speech. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it and press bell icon. Then you will get notification of my new videos. So you have to learn well rules of direct and indirect speech. Now start the rules. Direct and indirect speech, right? So here are some rules you have to follow when you solve direct speech into indirect speech, right? So here rule number 1, reporting verb in the past tense, the reported speech will also be changed into past tense, okay, provided it is not a universal fact or habit, right? So here I will take an example. Lalit said Deepak will come. It is direct speech, okay. Now we have to change it indirect speech. Lalit said that Deepak would come. It is indirect speech, right? So here will converted into would, right? Now I will take next example. Manish said Ravi may come, direct speech, right? Manish said that Ravi might come, indirect speech. ठीक है. Now our next example is Neha said the earth is round, direct speech. Neha said that the earth is round, indirect speech. See, here will be not change because this is a universal truth, right? So next example is Mandeep said I go to Kankaria daily to take exercise. It is direct speech, right? Now indirect speech will be Mandeep said that he goes to Kankaria daily to take exercise. So it is also a habit, right? So here only I convert into he, right? Now rule number 2, if the reported verb is in the present tense or future tense, the tense of direct speech will not change, okay. Priyanka says tea is ready. This is in simple present tense. Priyanka says that tea is ready. It is indirect speech. So here will not be change. Okay, here only that will come. Number B, Jyoti will say Sita is intelligent. This sentence also will not change. Only that will come between the both sentences, right? Jyoti will say that Tusita is intelligent, right? Now rule number 3, if the reported speech in the past tense, it is not always as evident from a changed into past perfect tense, right? Santanu said, I drank water after dinner. It is direct speech. Santanu said that he drank water after dinner. This is indirect speech. Now, past tense, right? Alka said it rained last night. Alka said that it had rained the previous night. Indirect speech. Okay. Now rule number 4. If the reported speech in the past continuous tense, it will be changed into past perfect tense, right? So here are some examples. Sonu said Bharti was dancing. It is direct speech. Sonu said that Bharti had been dancing. It is indirect speech. Next example, he said Ravi was playing football. Direct. He said that Ravi had been playing football. Indirect speech. Rule number 5, The words expressing nearness in the direct speech the changed into word expressing distance in the reported speech. Okay, here are some examples. Preeti said, I am busy now. So it is direct. Okay, Preeti said that she was busy then. So now convert into then. Okay, similarly, this becomes that, today becomes that day. So there is a list you can write in your notebook. Okay, so now we will take interrogative sentences, right? In such sentences, asked, inquired of, demanded of, etc. are substituted in the reporting verb depending upon the substance of the direct speech, right? Number 2, if the reply of the direct speech results in yes or no, only whether or if is used. Okay, so here are some examples. Roy said to me, what are you doing? Direct speech. Roy asked me what I was doing. It is indirect. Now, next example. Isita said to me, can you play football? It is direct. Okay. Isita asked or inquired of, okay, me whether or it I could play football. Indirect speech. ठीक है, here Isita asked or inquired, right, and inquired me because here is Isita said to me. अगर said to me ऐसा लिखा हो, so here you can write any one of them, like Isita asked or inquired of me whether. Here whether will come because here is interrogative sentence, right? So you can use whether or if, anything. I could play football, it will be indirect speech. So मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में न्यू टॉपिक के साथ. टेक केयर, बाय.